Welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking in on Don Cherry, the iconic and often controversial hockey commentator. Known for his loud suits, fiery opinions, and decades on Coach's Corner, many wonder where is he now, especially at 91. Let's dive into his current status. Don Cherry made his name as a coach and then as a legendary color commentator for Hockey Night in Canada. His brash personality, blunt takes, and patriotic flair made him a household name across Canada. For decades, he was a defining voice in hockey broadcasting. In June 2025, Cherry gave what sounded like a final farewell on his long-running Grapevine podcast, signing off with his trademark toodaloo. He later clarified that he was simply closing the season and intends to return. At the same time, he has officially announced his retirement after over 70 years in the hockey world. Where is Don Cherry now? Don Cherry is now 91 years old. He remains active through his podcast and occasional hockey commentary, even if not regularly on TV anymore. He still lives in Ontario, staying close to family and involved in hockey discussions. Known for his passionate views, Cherry continues to influence conversations in the hockey community. Don Cherry may not be on TV every Saturday night anymore, but his voice and his impact continue to resonate across the hockey world. Love him or not, he's a legend in Canadian sports broadcasting. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on your favorite personalities and where they are now.